Alright guys, I'm back. We got the oil pan off and my suspicions were correct, but it's a little bit worse than I thought. Here's the bottom of the oil that's not drained out, and look what we have here. Yep, that's it. That is the burn. So that means it has done come out. That's not good. Slivers of it, chunks of it, man. So that means that rod has run on the journal of the crankshaft, and if it's scored it, as anybody knows, if you know mechanics, that it don't work. It's just putting the bearing back on. Let's go underneath and see what we got. Alright, looky here at the oil pickup. See if I can get this out. I'm gonna have to get it out no matter what. Looky here. Out of the oil pickup. But the thing is, which I thought it was the number 2 valve making all the racket, and which the valve might have been making a racket. But look back here. I don't know if you can see that. No, you can't see that. That's movement. That's movement. See that? That's no good, boys. So next thing is taking the rod caps off and just seeing how bad it is, and go from there.